She is a CPA by profession, 20 years in the business, achieved the highest position in 3 years, multi-awardee of Lifestyles Canada, and author of the book Do the Abnormal and Earn Abnormal Income. Help me welcome our Money Fairy Global Marketing Director, Eva Aradelius. Take it away, JMD.
Okay, yes or yes. So, start na tayo. Ano bang story ko? Bakit nandito ako? It's because of my foreclosable house. Ano bang nangyari doon? Kasi March 2000, nag-resign ako kasi burnout ako sa work. So, April 2000, Intra was introduced to me. So, we took the product, nawala yung allergic rhinitis ng husband ko, pero hindi kami nag-business kasi wala akong capital. Instead, I went to America to work. Pero doon, nag-homesick ako. So, bumalik ako dito sa Pilipinas, jobless. Tapos, jobless doon, naka-receive ako ng letter sa Pag-ibig na i-foreclose yung house ko. So, out of panic, I went back to work. In the morning, nag-report ako as finance manager. In the afternoon, as in no exaggeration, nag-resign ako. So sabi ko, ano kayang gagawin ko? No, I tried poultry, pharmacy, grocery, nothing happened. Nag-OFW ako sa America, nothing happened. 11 years nag-work, manager, nothing happened. So sabi ko, itry ko kaya yung Intra. Nag-change ng perspective lang ako na this is not just about the business, but this is about healthy investment, no? Investment sa body mo. So meaning, kung hindi ko mabenta lahat to, lahat iinumin ko. Kung hindi ako sure, ma-wealthy ako, sure ako, healthy ako. So yun, in less than a year, na fully paid yung bahay ko. So ang dami pa, ano pa yan, no? Meron pa yan, mga slides na yan. So yung education ng anak ko, imagine, nung nag-grade 1 yung anak ko, before Lifestyles, I need to borrow money for his enrollment. But now, graduates abroad. Tapos yung pangalawa ko sa De La Salle University siya nag-graduate din. The best school talaga in the Philippines. Yes, meron din akong car. Before Lifestyles, yung company nagbigay sa akin ng car. But dito, 3 yung brand new cars ko. Ano pa yan? Ano pa yung nandyan? So yun, may properties na ako. No? So dito ako nakatira ngayon sa house, malaki, may pool, along Millionaires Row, may forest, maraming birds. Tapos kung ayaw ko naman dito, pupunta naman ako sa city kasi meron tayong leadership training sa Manila every month. So yun, the most expensive property in the Philippines. Meron akong condo din dyan. Tsaka meron din akong residential unit, no, sa beach, no? Imagine, no, sa Sheraton, grabe talaga. Ano pa yung meron dyan? So ito yung future mo, ha? Worldwide travels. Dati, right after college graduation lang ako nakasakay ng eroplano kasi nag-review ako. But this one, ang dami ko talagang travels. Many countries in Asia, of course in America, in Europe, in Australia, ang dami talaga. Ano pa? Ano pang meron dyan? Personality growth. Alam mo ba dati nung sinasabi sa akin, ako daw yun ang testimony. Sinasabi ko, pag ilagay nyo ako dyan sa testimony, uwi ako. So tinatawag yung pangalan ko, wala talaga ako dyan. Umuwi talaga ako. But now, no, naging speaker ako to thousands of people during gala. Ang galing talaga. So yan, no? So yun, may tanong ako sa inyo. Anong tanong ko, no? So yun, where will you be 3 to 5 years from now if you continue doing what you're currently doing? So natanong niyo ba yan sa sarili niyo? Can you still remember ba year 2018? No? Na-remember mo pa ba yung 2018? Actually, that was 3 years ago. No, parang kailan lang, di ba? But what happened back then? Can you still remember anong na-happen doon sa 2018? Siguro wala kang ma-remember. You know why? Kasi wala kang ginagawang bago. And because you did nothing significant, ang buhay mo, ganun pa rin. Buhay mo, ganun pa rin. Nagre-rent pa rin. Nag-jeep pa rin. Nangungutang pa rin ng tuition. And yan na yan ang maging buhay mo hanggang life is over. And life has just passed you by. Ouch! Gusto mo bang ganyan? Of course, hindi. Alam mo, may sinasabi si Jim Carrey. Ang ganda talaga ng sinasabi niya. Si Jim Carrey, ano yun? Celebrity. Alam mo ba anong sinasabi niya? He said, if you can fail at what you do not want, you might as well take the chance of doing what you love. Ang galing, no? And even if we fail by loving it alone, it's already a success. Di ba? So para sa akin, the greatest tragedy in life is hindi ka pa masaya sa work mo, wala ka pang pera, tapos yun, hindi ka pa maganda kasi dahil sa stress at sa utang, no? Pero in this business, ang galing. We will be building our dreams. We will be helping a lot of people while growing ourselves. We will create friendship that will last for a lifetime. We got to see the world, and we will be part of the Lifestyles family that will help you, support you, cheer for you, and love you no matter what. So, how many 20 years more of your life ba na hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo? But here in this business, you will feel alive because you will be touching a lot of lives. You will receive a lot of thank yous because their lives were never the same. You will not be complaining about darkness anymore because you have light a candle and created a light. We are giving hope to every home. Please, we should not deprive people of that hope that might, yun na lang ang natitira sa kanila. Sabi nga nila, everyone dies, but not everyone lives. With Lifestyles, you will find your purpose and there's more love in your heart because you are helping people live better every day. So, how do you see your future ba? Yes, we cannot predict our future, but you know what? We can create it. But by our decision and choices, we can be the CEO of our lives. Do you see your future like future A? Anong nakikita mo sa future A? No time freedom with family and friends. Mga OFW, they may have the money, but they don't have time with family and friends. But in this business, you can do this business online, earn dollars, business beyond borders, business in many countries, internationally, but you are with your loved ones at your side. How's that for a change in 2021? Gusto nyo ba yan? Of course! Renting throughout your life. I transferred houses 8 times. Nung nakabili kami sa Camellia Homes, sayang-saya namin. And our greatest dream is to have that house fully paid. But with Lifestyles, I got my dream house with pool in a gated subdivision. Yun nga sinasabi ko, with mini forest at the back. And I built it with no loan. Imagine, bank loan just from my monthly check with Lifestyles. So you know what? Whatever you have right now, it doesn't matter. Because to a wise man, every day is a new life. The reason why we have tomorrow, so we can start all over again. So ano pa dyan? Yung future aim mo, working on a job that you hate for 40 years just to pay bills. This is the working plan na hindi ko talaga matanggap. Deep down, I know there's something wrong here in this employment plan. Kaya I transferred jobs 6 times and even went to America. But now that I'm with Lifestyles, I realize it's not the change of jobs or change of countries, but change of mindset. Just be open-minded. Just keep putting dots for God to connect or keep pitching for God to give you the home run. Today, with what is happening in the world, I know many jobs were lost. I feel sorry for them. But at the same time, many opportunities are opened and you cannot see them unless you open your mind. Ano pa? You cannot sleep with your debt. But you know what? If you use the wisdom of God has given us, it is the debt that will save you. My story started with my foreclosable house. If not for that house, I would have never entertained this business. I was shy, I was broke, I haven't sold anything in my life. But God threw me a brick and I opened my eyes and mind to do something which I haven't done before. When I was starting out, my mom got me intra. Akala ko ang galing kong mag-explain. Pero ano pala yon? Out of pity. Kasi umuwi talaga ako sa probinsya namin. Naka-jeep lang. Umuulan pa. Naawa ang mama ko sa akin. Kaya bumibili ng 1 bottle. But you know what? You know what? Last Christmas, I gave her 6-digit cash for Christmas gift. She was so happy. And it was one of the happiest day of my life. I felt so alive. So ano pa? No budget for travels. If money and time is no problem, where do you want to go ba? Kasi if gusto mo talagang mag-travel, pang lifestyles ka, hindi ka pang cubicle, hindi ka pang employment. Ang daming travel opportunities dito talaga. Kasi first is because you support your team. So you business with pleasure. Second is incentive from the company. Third is because you can afford. So, galing talaga with lifestyles. Ang tanong, happy ka ba dyan sa future aim mo? Pag hindi, with lifestyles, we can bring you to your new future. Gusto mo ba yan? New future? With lifestyles, this will be your new future. Future B. Ano ba yung future B? More time with family and friends. More income than bills at the end of each month. Kahit nabayaran na lahat ng bills, meron pa ring extra money for our expensive bags, for our shoes. At hindi tayo ma-feel guilty kasi extra cash yan. Ano pa dyan sa future B? Freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. So you don't need to wake up early to work. You wake up because you're done sleeping. Gusto niyo yan? Of course. Ano pa yan? Future B, life without debt. If you want maganda ka palagi, alam mo kung anong tip? Fresh palagi, dapat debt-free. Kasi sabi nila nakakapangit daw pag maraming utang. No wonder kahit anong facial powder yan, ginagamit natin. Ganun pa rin. Kasi the beauty should come from within. Debt-free pill ang kailangan natin. So ano pa yan? More travels. With more travels, you can build memories with your family and friends. And that's priceless. As of now, after building my assets, I'm now building my memories. In my house, what you can see are not antique or expensive things, but many pictures of our travels. These are my true treasure. No? So, again, the question is, are you willing to make a change? Are you willing to transfer from future A to future B? Ang gagawin mo lang, make a change. Who are here are willing to make change? Type me. Type me. Meron ba dyan? Of course, ang dami. No? Sabi dito, for things to change, you have to change. Don't wait for your husband to change or your company to change, but instead, be the change you wish to see. Change will start with a decision because you are just a decision away to your future B. With a decision, your life will change in an instant. Do lifestyles because here we have an asset building program. We will build your asset, earn passive income, and never have to work again. Meron na bang nagsabi sa inyo na payayamanin ka? Na meron silang program for you? Meron ba? How about your employer? Of course, wala. Bakit? Kasi if mag-resign ka, your boss has no more asset. Kasi you are working for the asset of your boss. But here, we will build your own asset, not your boss asset. And how do we do that? Next slide. Increase your income. No? Ito yung asset building program natin. Increase your income. How do we do that? Do lifestyles business. Huwag ka nang mag-isip pa. No? Ano yan? Paralysis, analysis, paralysis. Tapos delayed gratification. Meaning, we'll teach you how to become financially literate. Kasi it's not just all about making money, but managing your money. The second step is pay your utang. third step is invest in assets and earn passive income. The fourth step is let your passive income buy your dreams. And you are financially free. Sino dyan gusto mag-financially free? Type me. Wow! Ang dami. So ito yung last slide ko. Last slide ko, ito yan. Life is a choice. Life is a choice. Your life today is the result of your attitude and choices of the past. Your life tomorrow will be the result of the choices you make today. I know marami sa inyo ang gustong mag-lifestyles, no? Bago lang dito, but walang pera. 'Di ba? Sino diyan gusto mag-lifestyles pero walang pera? You know what? Meron akong tip sa inyo. Gusto niyo ang tip? Ito yung tip ko. Please don't use your logic. You know why? Because logic will only bring you from point A to point B. But use your imagination. Because with imagination, it can bring you anywhere. Walang limit. This is the most illogical business. How in the world my borrowed capital of 10,000 makes me a hotel owner. Just like the tricycle driver, June Igot, just renting a house of 800 pesos per month before lifestyles. He borrowed from 46 people for his investment. But now he has so many houses, many cars, and earning 1 million per month. That's your future. Because if you will use your logic here, you will say, me? Ako? Yayaman? Wala akong kapital. Wala akong sales background. Wala nga akong passport eh. I haven't tried any business. Never tried receiving a check under my name. Wala nga akong ID eh. How can I be rich? If this is you, you are using your logic. From now on, please stop using that. Your future self is begging you. That's the reason why until now you are stuck up. There's no scarcity in capital. The scarcity is in your imagination. Just say to God, I want this opportunity, God. I want this business. I want this change so badly. Please help me, God. And when you can do that, begin to take action. And what is your first action? Ask the person that invited you here today and ask, what should I do next? Okay? So I'm done, and I hope I have served you in any way. Good morning.